I think we are live. Welcome everyone for this week's live hangout. Um, Before I start the hangout, if you do me a favor, if you watch me, then underneath the video there is a comment box. If you type yes and let me know that if you are, hearing and watching me very clearly, I can start it from there. So underneath the video there is a comment box. Please leave yes if you can see me, or leave Y if you can see me. Uh, I'll be able to learn that you are watching me. So underneath the video, please comment on the video. Comment on the comment box, please. I'll start the hangout in a minute. Basically, we need to make sure these things before we start any live training. So it's really crucial to know that from the other side you are watching me. Hopefully you are watching me, and there are some broadcast delays, so I'm expecting any comment from you. I still haven't got any comment. Let me come back here. Still haven't got any comment. So if you see me, if you hear me, then on the comment box below, please type yes, so that I know you're watching me. Like here. Still haven't got any comment. I hope you guys are doing well this week. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of exciting things going on this week. I'm going to share with you in a minute. I'm going to share all these things in a minute. All right, thank you very much. All right, I'm quite sure that you are watching me now. Okay, so before I start the presentation, let me show you. Let me give you two very good news. One is our blog on the Alexa. We bumped up now under 2 million. 2.5 weeks ago, we were like, let me show you what's happening. 2.5 weeks ago, we were like 13 million, over 13 million, but now we bumped up. Let me show you here. You see here now in Alexa, we are 1,877,032. So from 13 million to under 2 million in 2.5 weeks. It's a great achievement, and hopefully as the days goes, right, we will be someday, we will be, it's not very far that once we will be below 50,000, and then we will be below 10,000, and from there we will go furthermore. Now at this moment, Google, Facebook, they are leading. I'm not saying that we will be in that types of position, right? Like in top 10. No, if you think like that, it will take a lot of time. But the way we are progressing, it's not going to be very long time that we will be. In fact, we will be under 10,000, under 10,000 list, right? So it's going really well. And the big thing is, if you see, this is the statistics for the blog, right? We have now around 10 minutes. A visitor in our blog is staying 10 minutes, right? Where the average people in internet, on average, and in websites, average people stay around 2 minutes, right? Around 2 minutes. So in this case, we have 10 minutes. That means when someone goes, right, in average, they stay 10 minutes in the blog to see what's going on in the blog. Okay, this is a big thing. If I take you to here, these are real time. These are real time happening. So you see, these are from Alexa, right? We had 100% uptime. I just showed you engagement from the search. We are picking up from the search engine. We are picking up from the search engine. From Google, from Yahoo, from Google. If you see referral count, 94% people yesterday came from Google, right? So we are picking up. We are picking up. This is a good news. This is the ranking bump, the ranking we are getting. Alexa, this is a big news. In 2 weeks we got like from 13 million to under 2 million. It's a big news. And the second big news is, this is really a great one. If you go to the blog, let me take you to the blog. I wrote this article 2 days ago, actually 3 days ago, I think. I can't remember. 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. Like I said earlier, when we will pick up on the Google, right, we will get a lot of visitors, organic visitors from Google, from the search engines basically. So on this article, basically my targeted audience were who are programmer, who are developer, who are computer programmer, who makes application. My targeted visitors were those. I didn't target, this typical marketer who are sick and tired of this kind of things. I'm targeting some people who has IT background. Okay, so I wrote this article for those people, and of course you can. I mean, if you read this article, you will also find a lot of stuff for you as well. If you are an online business owner with your own product, then you will find this will really help you to protect your website, all right, from the fake traffic. So I wrote this blog, and the keyword I was targeting was this one. And guess what? On Google first page, we are on the 5th place for this keyword. If you see here, it will vary based on the location you are in, but in my side, we are in the 5th position for this article, all right, in 2 days. So this way this blog will get ranked for several keywords, right? We just started picking up. And when we will be in the top, right? We will be in the top very soon. We just started, I think 3 weeks ago, we started this blog. So big things are happening with the blog. If you are spending time with the blog, and if you know how the blog is working, then you must know it is gonna bring big thing for your business. Now, let me explain you what is going on the blog. Basically, with the blog, we are promoting free business. One is Traffic Monsoon, one is My Advertising Pays, and one is My Paying Ads. These three business where we are promoting with the blog, right? Now, we all are with different types of business. I see people, there are people in Traffic Monsoon for 1 year, over 10 months, over 12 months. They don't have any referral. When I joined with Traffic Monsoon, I think 2 months ago, and then I started, doing my homework and research, which you can learn from the blog as well. So it took me like a couple of weeks, I think 3 weeks or 4 weeks, to figure out everything. And then I started promoting Traffic Monsoon. And when I started promoting Traffic Monsoon, I guess in four weeks, all right, in the next 4 weeks, I got 263 referrals. 263 referrals in 4 weeks, okay? So, I mean, you see, in this industry, some people know how to recruit, how to refer people. Some people doesn't know how to refer people. Now, in Traffic Monsoon, in MPA, honestly speaking, if you know about these types of business, these are called revenue sharing business. You don't need to refer, right? If you can buy ad packs from the company's profit share, you can earn money. But referring people is also something that it's a big source, earning source for you. Okay, you don't want to, leave the money on the table. Okay, so this blog is helping you to get referral in these three business. All right, we are getting how we get tough traffic. Basically, we are now so far we are 440 team member with the whole team. Okay, all these people, say these are people, right? So these team members, okay, these team members are driving traffic in this blog. Okay, we are getting traffic from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and we started picking up getting traffic from Google. Give it 2 weeks, give it 2 months or two and a half month, right? We'll get a lot of traffic from Google. We will get a lot of traffic from Google. Trust me. We're getting traffic from Google Plus. So this way we are getting like at this moment we are getting like we just started 3 weeks. At this moment we are getting like over 100 visitor, organic visitor. I'm talking about visitors, right? Organic visitors. Those are going to your blog, spending 10 minutes in the blog. I'm talking about those visitors, not the visitor who just landed in your page, did nothing, right? I'm talking about those visitors, over 100 visitors in the blog at this moment who are spending average 10 minutes in the blog. I'm talking about those visitors. Now from those visitors, they're going there. When someone's spending in your blog for 10 minutes, of course, they have something interesting in there. That's why they're spending time. Now, when they decide to join, all these team members, right? All these team members, they have their referral link active in this blog, and it's happening randomly, okay? So when these visitors, the visitor coming from here and the visitor sending by the team members, when they decide to join, okay? Say someone decided to join, right? This is the new guy, all right? He decided to join with the team, right? Now this guy will be placed randomly, if these are the team members, randomly in under someone. Okay, say this one, this guy, right? So he will be placed under this person, right? Now the next guy will be placed again, someone randomly. System will choose someone randomly, right? So system choose him. The next guy will join under this person, right? Now, when they join, they come to these people, right? Become the team member, right? These people become the team member, and same thing happen with them as well. When people join from the blog, they also, I mean, these new two people and all of these people, right? Everyone this way, everyone gets signed up, automated sign up, all right? Everything happening automatically, and when they get when they're they register under Traffic Monsoon, my paying ad, or my advertising page. So basically, this is what is happening with this blog, right? So yeah, the blog is picking up really, really fast, and it's been only 2.5 weeks gone that we launched the blog, and it's picking up really quickly. So you will start getting results from the blog. Just make sure that you are doing everything correctly from your side, right? Now, basically the strategy this is the blog, you seen the blog, okay? All the thing you've seen already is about the blog, right? Now we are working with a strategy. With the strategy we are working with is we're applying this strategy with Traffic Monsoon. Let me explain you the strategy in a minute, and trust me, using this strategy you can, it's proven, it's already proven that using these strategies, some people in our team, right, making $2,000 a day, right? It's 100% proven, and anyone can do it as long as they have an internet connection, all right? And we call it absolutely free strategy. In other words, we call it $0 investment strategy. So I'm going to explain you this strategy in a minute, but before that, those who don't know about me, my name is Masood Kabir, and I used to be a computer software developer, right? You can say programmer, right? I graduated from computer. I have a degree with computer science and engineering, and I worked for software firms, software companies, 4 years, and then I had my own IT company with 20 programmers. I mean, all of these things were 2 years ago, right? But from last 2 years, I've spent a lot of money, right, to get my grip in this industry. When I'm saying in this industry, I'm meaning this online marketing industry, all right? I've spent a lot of money. I mean, my first 5 years, it's been 7 years I'm with this industry. I mean, from last 2 years, I'm doing really well. But for the first 2 years, I mean, for the first 5 years, I didn't make any dime. I spent a lot of money to learn these things. Now, this is what about. I mean, this is what about me. Now, let's come back to here. So I'm making good money from last 2 years, and the strategy I'm going to show you is 100% proven, and anyone can do this as long as they have an internet connection. So you already know that we are doing business with Traffic Monsoon, My Advertising Pays, and MPA, I mean My Paying Ads. But the strategy only applies with Traffic Monsoon. Why? Because when you join with Traffic Monsoon for free, right? When you join with Traffic Monsoon, they have a feature. That feature calls cash link. Cash links are basically other people are advertising their business, and when you watch their advertise and when you watch their website, Traffic Monsoon gives you free money for that, all right? And this cash link opened up, I mean, gave us this opportunity to to use this absolutely free strategy. I mean, I'm going to explain you in a minute, right? So from the cash links daily, you can earn, I mean, 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents. But let's be just I mean, let's just say that you can earn 10 cents per day from the cash links, all right? Watching other people's ad, which is not much money, but in a year it's $36.50. Of course, it is not much money as well. I mean, for you and me, it's not much money per year. $36.50. What are you going to do with this money, right? That's why we will play with referral. And you already know now how we can get referral. We can get referral from the blog, right? This is only one way, but once you register with Traffic Monsoon or any of the business to get involved with the team, you get a secret training page. From there, you have other strategies as well. The strategies are used to get 263 referrals in 4 weeks, right? You get the same strategy, plus a lot of things you get when you get involved with the team and when you get the trainings, right? So here we will play with referrals, all right? When someone join under you in Traffic Monsoon, when you refer them, you get the same matching commission which they get from their cash links, right? So this is you. If you are earning 10 cents per day from the cash links, of course, we are talking about cash links. We're not going to ad packs or company's profit share. We're not going there at this moment, right? We're just talking about the cash links, how you can earn free money from cash, from Traffic Monsoon, right? So you are earning 10 cents per day, and your referrals, they're also earning 10 cents. Now, as because these people are your referral, I mean, this second person is your referral, the money he earns, you earn the same money. That means from then, when you get a referral from then, you are earning 20 cents per day, right? Now, the equation goes to $73 per year, which is also not a big amount of money, right? That's why you need to think big. You need to be a little bit ambitious, and the scenario goes like this. This is you, and say this is your 10 referral. You sponsor 10 people personally, right? Now you are earning 10 cents from your cash links. From your 10 referrals, you are earning total $1. So the total goes for you now per day is $1.10. So let's go for 50 days from that point, right? $1.10. 50 days, it makes you $55. Now look at here. To make this $55, you didn't have to put any money from your pocket. Your referral didn't have to pay any money from their pocket. You just earn this money totally free. And your referral also using this strategy. I mean, we're gonna use this same strategy, and they will also earn the same amount of money from from free for free, right? They're not paying any money from their pocket. Now what you do with this $55, you buy ad packs, right? This is where you scale up your business, right? When you buy an ad pack, it costs you $50. The company will give you $55 back, right? Which means you spend $50, which you earned from the cash links, your cash links plus your referrals cash links, right? You use $50 from that $55. When you invest this $50 to buy, basically with this $50 you buy an ad pack, and an ad pack consists 1,000 visitors in your website plus 20 banner clicks, right? So you purchase basically this product for $50. But when you purchase an ad pack, you get the product, you get the visitors, plus you get $55 back from the company. Okay, so you're not losing basically anything. When you buy an ad pack, you're not losing anything. Now we will see. So with this $55, you use $50 to buy an ad pack, you still have $5, right? So with this $50, we will see how it make difference in your earning. You will get $1 per day until you get $55 back from that ad pack, right? So on top of it, you are earning $1.10 per day from the cash links. Of course, your cash link plus your referrals cash link. Now your earning is from that point to next 25 days, your earning will be $52.50. First, you earned $55. Now on top of it, your earning now is $52.50. How it's coming? It's coming from the $1 daily from the ad pack you bought, and from the cash links earning $1.10 per day, right? So which is $2.10 for next 25 days makes $52.50, right? When you have $52.50, you go and buy another ad pack, right? Now bear in mind that you still have 25 days for the, sorry, you still have 30 days for the first ad pack to expire, okay? So when you have $52.50, buy another ad pack, you have now 2 ad packs, and from that point, if you carry on for next 18 days, per day you are earning $3, and in the next 18 days it will be $55.80. Now you see how it's going, I mean why it's going. You started putting $0 from your pocket. You didn't spend any single money. Your referrals didn't spend any single money. First, you reached to a level of $55. Then you bought a pack, right? And then you bought another pack, second one, and then now you have more $55.80. You have enough money to buy another ad pack. Now, what is happening here? Let me come back here. So you're basically building up a business from the scratch without spending a single penny, right? Now, when you have 3 ad pack, that's the ad pack, you are earning 3 active ad pack, right? 3 active ad pack, you are earning $3 a day. On top of it, you are earning $1.10 per day from your cash links plus your referrals cash links, right? Now you're not just stopped referring people. You're getting people from blog, plus also you try personally to get referrals as well. Now when you have 3 ad pack, you are earning $3 per day. When you have 10 ad packs, you are earning, plus this one of course, you are earning $10 per day. When you have 100 ad packs, you are earning $100 per day. If you earn $100 per day per month, you are earning $3,000 without doing anything, right? All you're doing is watching the ads, and you're getting referrals from the blog, plus maybe you are doing your advertising, personal advertising as well. I mean, you see, earning this $3,000 a month, it doesn't take, I mean, that much time from your life, all right? If you work like half an hour or 10 minutes a day, if you make a plan, it's really easy to earn money from online. So hopefully, yeah, this helps. I mean, whoever watching this video, get involved with the team. I mean, click the button below. There is a button which says get started today. If you are already with Traffic Monsoon, then you can go to the blog. There is a page which says get started. From the blog, you will find few more options. You will find an option to get involved with the team with my paying ads, with sorry, my advertising page with my paying ads. So if you are already with Traffic Monsoon and you are not with the team, right? You're not a part of the blog, or you're not a part of the secret training, right? Get involved with the team, right? Check your options. You will get option for my paying ads. You'll get option to join with your my advertising page. Or I mean, if you are already with all these three business, then unfortunately, to get involved with this entity with our team, right? You have to pay $499 per year subscription fee. But I mean, I'm not saying that. I always expect people, to get involved with any of this business and then get involved with the team, right? When you go to blog, when you get involved with any of this business, any of these person who are team member, these people, right? Any of them could be your sponsor. It doesn't have to be me. It doesn't have to be someone else, right? Whoever with the team, that will get you as a sponsor. And as long as you make sure that you are with you have joined under someone who is with our team, you get the same thing, right? You get the same blog, training, everything for you as well. So you need to just make sure that you are with the team. So click the button and register with Traffic Monsoon. And if you are already with Traffic Monsoon, then go to blog. Let me type you the URL of the blog. It's www then of course rev share with us.com. So go to visit this blog and go to getting started today page. There is a blog post about how to get started. Read there and find your options. All right. And if you're not Traffic Monsoon, then from here, whoever sent you on this page, they have their referral link underneath this video, the button, right? Join under them, right? Hopefully, I mean, this will really help you. Okay, and now I will take question answer. If you have any question answer, please type the questions for me so that I can answer you. This is really powerful, guys. Trust me, this is really powerful. You are getting sign up while even when you are sleeping, right? From the blog, you are getting sign up even while you are sleeping. It doesn't have to be like you have to know that how to refer people. People with our team who never ever be able to refer anyone, they're also getting referred from the blog, right? So if anyone has any question, please ask me, type it below the video in the comment box. I'll be able to answer you. Wait 5 minutes. Sorry, I'll wait 5 minutes to see if you have any question. Okay. Anyone have any question? I mean, this is for team members, right? Who are in the team. Make sure that you have taken full training, and there are some update in the secret training page. Let me show you something. Let me take you here. Let me take you this screen. I made an update in the training page. I'm not sure if you noticed it or not. If you see in your training page, this is your training page. If you see a banner like this, which says new training update available, then click on that banner, right? Sorry, it logged out, of course. Let me log in here again. So yeah, after login, if you see any banner here which says training update available, then click there and take the update. I mean, learn about the update. All right, you will see all the update. You'll be able to see all the updates here. So I suggest everyone, whenever you see any update, these updates are really important updates. So go through the updates. All right. Now, if you have any question, please shoot me a question. I'll be able to answer you. Otherwise, I will end up here. What is that? If you have any question, please shoot me a question. I'll be able. It takes some time to get the questions. All right. Okay. So you see, guys, this is really powerful. All right. Like I said, this is really powerful. We are working as a team to get referral. It's not like, when you get 1 or 2 referral. Say for example, this is you, right? When you get 1, 2, or 3 referral, we will take out you from the blog. No, it's for the life. It's for the rest of your life, right? As long as you got the training, and as long as you refer links, you know how to keep your referral link active in the blog, you will be in the your referral links will be in the blog, and you get automated sign up in your business. All right. So before I go, the thing I will say for the team member, right? Make sure when you get your referrals, make sure that you are giving them the full training. You are working as because you got the training, you saw the big picture, right? When someone join with your business, if they don't get the big picture, if they don't know what is going on, if they don't get the full flow, right, full flow of the strategy we are following, then they will lose motivation. So you need to give them the full training. You need to make sure that they got the full training, right? Share the blog. This is what we do basically. We are sharing the blog. We are doing basically content marketing. Now there were some. I mean, I'm working on an article, right? I already posted the first one I posted yesterday. I made a post yesterday. It was about search engine optimization. Now there were a time with search engine you just buy backlinks, right? And you come to Google first page. Now things has changed. All right, things has changed. It's not something like that. In a landing page, you just drive traffic and you expect that you will be in the Google first page. It's not. I mean, this time gone, right? You need to focus on now content marketing, right? You need to focus on content marketing to get organic result, to get organic visitors from to your blog or business website, right? And this is exactly what I'm doing. Well, like I said, my background is IT, right? So I know the IT sector where is going. The IT sector is going where. So this is why I brought out this idea instead of just making a system, right? Instead of making a system and recruiting there. I mean, if you see that there are millions of companies, right? Some are surviving, some cannot, right? Those who cannot survive, the main problem is they're not getting people on board, right? So we are with this three business. We are with this three business. We are using this blog as a tool. Okay, we are using this blog as a tool to get referral in our businesses, and getting organic result from search engine. It's a big thing, and hopefully we will get massive traffic from Google, or Yahoo or Bing, of course from the search engines, right, in near future. So yeah, and also the email I sent you, whenever I send you an email, go through the email. If you see any new blog post, then share it with people and subscribe the channel. If you see this is a new channel, right, whenever I will upload any video, you will get the notification if you subscribe with the channel. And yeah, share this with your team. Give your team the proper training. Give the team the training, and you also take the full training. Okay, I'm sorry. And yep, this is it. I'll talk to you next week, and have a good day.